Hey you guys, I'm here with a couple of small things that I made from the Dollar Tree that I wanted to show you really quick that I added to my two-tier tray. Now these little tubes are becoming one of my favorite items to get from the Dollar Tree, and I also picked up these little foam balls that I thought would be great for Easter. So if you're decorating something, these are great to put anywhere around your two-tier tray. If you're going to give up some cards, inside your baskets. They're so cute and they're just little foam balls with the Easter pattern on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it careful. I don't want it to spill everywhere. And I'm going to add them to these little containers. I love these little containers. If you get your hands on them, pick them up, store them. You can give them away. You can display them on your two-tier tray. You can add craft material. You can add glitter. You can add so many things to them. And they were perfect for this design for my two-tier tray. They gave it that extra color of Easter. You'll find yellow, pink, purple, blue, every color of Easter balls. I mean little balls in there. And look at how fast and adorable that is. You can add a ribbon to the top. You can paint the lid. But that is perfect to display right there on your two-tier tray to give them away. And all I'm going to do is fill them up. These little foam balls are weightless. They have no weight under. So they'll fly away if you don't seal it up fast. And look at how fast and cute that is. And just like that, it goes in. Make sure when you're done with them, just put them away like in a Ziploc bag and they'll be ready for next year, for your next project. But I picked them up at the Dollar Tree and I knew exactly what I was going to do with them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'll link the link down below. And if you guys want to go ahead and check out my channel, my email is there. If you want to email me something or just say hi, that'll be great as well. I love looking at it and talking to a ton of you. So just go for it. And here you go. This is the last one. And look at how simple that was. And let me tell you, they are adorable. Look at how cute they are. You just display them on your two-tier tray or on your shelf or anywhere you want to display them. They're going to stand out. The colors are cute. Or give them away to friends and family when they come over. I'm sure they'll want to take one with them. But yeah, little simple ideas like that are cute and they're perfect. You can also add burlap at the top with some hot glue gun. And just glue a little bit of burlap and that'll go right into your decor just like that. So many ideas you can do with this. You can paint the top of it. You can add a bow, but the burlap is very cute. I'm just going to leave mine plain since I do have stainless steel all over my house. It goes perfect. Another idea is to make a little bow. Look at how easy it is to make these little bows. Once you have it made, just adjust it with your hands, cut it down, glue it to the top of there, and that's perfect as a gift as well. You can give these to the teachers, you can give these to the daycare workers, and they're perfect for Easter. You can throw one in an Easter basket. But yeah, it's just the little ideas that I think about when I'm out there shopping because I do have a two-tier tray. The next thing I'm going to do is this adorable little marshmallow. I don't know if anybody got their hands on them. I'm just going to add it in there. I thought it would be cute to add it in there just for color purposes and display purpose. You can add so many things to the little marshmallows. Let me tell you, they're pretty big in size. They're not tiny. They're like a size large, if anything. And I thought since I have these, why not add them in there? I thought it would be fun to add to my two-tier tray. And just to have it as decor purpose. Now, if you have a clear vase, it would look really pretty there as well. Or like a little clear jar from the Dollar Tree. You can just add it in there, put it in your living room, put it next to your centerpiece, anywhere. It's gonna stand out because the colors are perfect for Easter. They're just perfect, as you can see them. You have every color in there, and they're really pretty. Once you see it in person, it actually looks better. Now, since I have these little jars, I also have these little spoons that I picked up from Target. You get 3 of them. I'm just gonna add it in there. I thought that was very cute, just to display purposes, to add the little spoon in there. Like if they're little ice cream dots. Has anybody tried those little dots of ice cream? That reminds me of that too as well. If you're doing a whole ice cream theme, these little foam dots are perfect for a summer ice cream theme. That would be perfect. And look at how colorful that is. And if you haven't seen my 2-tier tray, I'll link the link down below so you can go ahead and check it out. I finished it. I'm really happy with it. It came out perfect and it's ready for Easter. Now, these are all Dollar Tree decor ideas. So they're all worth $1. Nothing expensive. Keep it simple. We all been to the Dollar Tree. The next one I picked up were these little felt Easter treat bags. I thought these were so cute. And I did use these for Easter to give gifts for the teenagers. I made that video as well. So go ahead and check out that video. You get 4 of them for $1. I thought they were just so adorable. And I'm going to use them for my display purpose. They come with burlap just to tie it around the ears. And once you tie it nice and tight, it actually looks pretty cute. So with this in mind, I'm going to be using a rice. I thought rice was the perfect material. You can use anything you have around your house, but when you put rice together, it kind of like, let me tell you, it like moves like in one. Because you can add beans in there, you can add anything you have, noodles, anything that you have, you can add in there. But the rice kind of, I don't know, it like comes together and it makes its own shape. So just go ahead and add the rice directly into the bag because the bags are pretty small, believe it or not. You're not going to get a lot of stuff in there. Shape it with your hands. Make sure you're able to stand it up because that's the whole point. Once you have it exactly how you like it, grab your burlap and just tie around the ears. And look at how cute that is. Go ahead and put these around your house. Put it next to your centerpiece. Put it on your 2-tier tray. Give some to your sisters, your family as a gift. They are adorable. They stand out perfect. And they're one of my favorite decor pieces, believe it or not, even though I picked it up for gift ideas. I am loving these 2 ideas. They're so cute. Go ahead and make your own. And if you do, let me know if you added something else that was in rice, that sits well, that forms well. Go ahead and comment down below and just let me know what you think. And I hope you guys get a couple ideas. And if you do, comment down below or go ahead and tag me on Instagram. And until next time, bye you guys.